Hi guys, I want to show you how to bypass FRP on itel A18. So just follow this process. It's very easy to bypass with this process. Now click on permissions and search for settings and wait for it to pop up. Wait for a few seconds, it will come up. Now click on settings, open settings. Now go to app list and look for Google Play service and disable it. And go back to the main page. Click on next, skip, and wait for it to load. Don't copy. So the phone will be looping here. It won't go any further because of the Google Play service that we disabled. So just wait for a few seconds for the phone to be looping. Now we have to go back to this main settings to enable the Google Play service back. But before we enable the Google Play service, make sure you disconnect from the network that you connected to, so that the phone will stay offline. Permission and search for settings again. Click on settings, open, and go to network and make sure you disconnect from the network and disconnect it from the hotspot you're connected to, and go back to the app list and enable the Google Play service. That's all we have to do, and go back to the main page. Click on next, skip, set up offline, and continue. And we are able to bypass it now. So just do the normal settings, and that's all. Please guys, do like and follow my channel. And if you have any question, please remember to put it in the comment section and I will reply. Thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to follow and like and share. Please follow my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching guys.